We have something new from the Shiba Inu ecosystem. This is not something we were expecting or that was really discussed. That's one thing I love about what Shiba Inu, the dev teams, does is, we've all been focused on Shibarium. It's coming. This is going to be a component of that, or it's going to feed into that as well. But this is something completely new that you haven't seen before. And what it is it's a really fantastic marriage of digital and IRL in real life. Okay. And we're going to talk about this. And I do think that there is very, very strong backing behind this from the standpoint of, I think that this is something that will get bigger as time goes on. So with that, let's take a look at what I've got for you. And as always, thanks for your support. Okay. So Shibicles is a new thing from the Shiba Inu ecosystem. What is it? Okay, well, let's go directly to the Shibicles website. And here it is. Print anything that you can mint. Introducing Shibicles, a unique in real life component of the Shiba Inu ecosystem. They are here to add extra sparkle to your community by transforming your digital NFTs into authenticated, high quality, adorable physical items like toys, plushies, or whatever your community desires. And see, like, I mean, you got here, look, you've got obviously, a cool little statue. You've got a hat, an NFT, an iPhone cover, chess, obviously t-shirts, hoodies, and so forth and so on. And this is something that is really interesting. Look, they are looking to partner with expert manufacturers to introduce a diverse range of physical goods, including exclusive fashion, high quality toys, etc., all branded to your particular community. Now, that's where it gets interesting. This is not just a Shiba Inu community thing. SHIB has come out, Satoshi's come out in various discussions around this and said, look, we're opening this up to everybody. So if you're another NFT project, or you're another, that you want to give your community, your fans, the ability to print a physical, real, life image, or not image, but, physical real life, say statue, or put it on a t-shirt or whatever, you can do that with Shibicles. Now, one of the components that they're doing with this is that they're partnering, Shiba Inu team is partnering with Hewlett Packard, HP, in one capacity to deliver the physical products, right? So this is something that I think is really a really, number one, cool, big deal. Shiba Inu's done this before, where they marry digital, right? The crypto digital ecosystem, if you will, and they marry it into the physical world. Wellies, their relationship and partnerships with, like, John Richmond, the designer, and so forth and so on. And there's other examples of this, like now Shib Preem, coming out as well in with their digital art and things of that nature, not digital, but their physical, not art, but jewelry, things of that nature. So I think that this is something that is really, really cool. So I definitely give it out, give it a look. Shibicles.com. Check it out there. And then obviously you can follow them over on Twitter as well. Shibicles, at Shibicles, to follow them there. But it is a very interesting scenario that I think is really cool. It's a new launch for Shiba Inu, part of the ecosystem. I think it's going to only get bigger, and it's not just a Shiba Inu ecosystem component, meaning it has the ability for other projects, other initiatives out there, if you will, NFT projects or whatever it may be, other crypto projects, that if they want to add in a IRL, an in real life component, which I think is the next big wave, right? Then that's something that they can do and leverage this platform as well. It kind of reminds me of again, Shibarium, right? Shibarium is going to be the heart of the Shiba Inu ecosystem, but oh, by the way, thousands of other projects will launch their projects on Shibarium as well. All right, so there you go. Good stuff. I'll see you.